Kanina hindi ka marunong magbuka. Pero at least marunong nagbuka ka.
Yan.
Okay, isa pa.
Agawa tayo. Tama to ay naalalayan lang po.
Oh, walang pressure pag yung isa.
Galing nga, ano yan?
Oh, my love, my darling, I've hungered for your touch.
Ikaw ata ang pinakamatanda dito, hindi nila alam. Ikaw na yung nakakaalam sa movie na yun.
Alam mo yun, alam mo yun.
Oo naman.
Ano pong palabas yun?
Ghost nga.
Oh, Ghost, di ba? Tapos,
Unchained Melody yung
Unchained
kanta.
Melody, si Demi Moore.
At saka pa si Patrick Swayze. Hindi pupulutin doon at pwede na dito. Kailangang itas na proseso kasi hindi lahat ng lupa ay clay. Hindi po lahat ng clay ay pwede. First, I have to center the clay. In order to center, you need the speed of the wheel and the pressure from the hands. Once then the center siya, everything starts with a cylinder. To make a cylinder, I have to pull the clay from the bottom to the top gradually. I'm pulling the clay with both pressure from my left and right, going with the speed of the wheel to maintain the centerness. Kamay ko po ang mag-control sa clay, not the clay controlling my hands to keep the shape for it not to collapse. This is a very basic shape from here. You can make a jar, a bowl, or different shapes. At this point, there's more pressure from my inside hand, pushing it outwards to widen. Here in the middle, pressure from my right, pushing it inwards to narrow down. Then outwards again at the very, very top to make a flower vase.
Wow! Palakpakan naman yan!
Pwede pang i-narrow down dito to enhance the shape if needed be. Para mas sexier siya.
Sexy!
Sinong gustong maging sexy, paikot natin dito, baka pwede sa tao. Pwede ring maging pichel, paglagyan ng nguso na ganyan. Yan lang po ang kaya kong pakita sa inyo ngayon. I let it dry for 5 days. After 5 days, we put the handle, trim the bottom, do anything that will enhance the beauty. Then we dry it for 1 month. Air dry lang po. Ilagay namin sa oven for 10 hours of firing. Wait for it to cool down. Ilabas namin, a-apply na siya ng glaze. Ang glaze po yung nagbibigay kulay at nagpapakintab, pero hindi lalabas upon application like paint. Kailangang iluto ulit ng another 10 hours of glaze firing para ma-finish siya. That's why they're safe for food containers. They're microwavable. The color doesn't fade.